Mom, how do I? Today we're going to do roasted potatoes and chicken. Here are the supplies that you will need to make roasted potatoes and chicken. A double-bagged plastic bag, some chicken breasts, and some potatoes. About 3 to 5 potatoes depending on size. A baking sheet and 3 ingredients. Garlic salt, parsley, and olive oil. That's it. As always, start off by washing your hands. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. The first thing that you'll want to do is wash the potatoes thoroughly. Most potatoes, when you get them out of the bag, have a lot of dirt on them. You will want to scrub the potatoes and make sure to get all of that dirt off. Next, you might notice that some of the potatoes have spots on them. You'll want to cut these spots out. Continue cutting all of the spots out of the potatoes. They don't have to look pretty. Once all the spots are cut out of the potatoes, you will cut them in half, then once lengthwise. And twice horizontally. Continue to cut all the potatoes like this. Once the potatoes are all cut, put them in your plastic bag. Now we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the potatoes. 1, 2. Then we will put 2 teaspoons of garlic salt on the potatoes. Teaspoons are so much smaller than tablespoons, so make sure you are using the right measurement. 1, 2. Then we do the same thing with the parsley, 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. Once all the ingredients are in the bag, twist the bag up so it's nice and tight, and then shake all the ingredients together like this. You can have fun with it. When the ingredients are nice and mixed, dump the potatoes out over half of the baking sheet. Time for the chicken. Pour a little bit of olive oil on each chicken breast and rub it into both sides. Place the chicken breasts on the baking sheet. Next, you'll want to wash your hands thoroughly. Anytime you work with raw chicken, you want to make sure that your hands are washed really good. Now, using the same ingredients, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt over the chicken breasts. And then a little bit of parsley too. Put the baking sheet in the oven for about 25 minutes. When the timer goes off, take the baking sheet out of the oven. You want to make sure that your chicken has been cooked thoroughly. To do this, you'll want to cut in the middle of the chicken breast and make sure that there is no pink. These ones look good. Dish the chicken and the potatoes on your plate and you are ready to eat. Enjoy!
Mom?